going back to his house now. So you guys, happy Vlogmas today. I don't know what day it is. 19? I don't know. It's 18? I don't know. 19. Say 19. So cold in here, I can see my breath. I don't think you guys can see it. I can see it. I can see my own breath. It's that cold in this car right now. I have no lipstick on and I feel weird about it. But I didn't want to put it on right before I ate because it's just going to come off. And my hand's all black apparently. But she's so cute. Oh my god, I have pictures of the dogs. She's just so cute. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you. For the kisses. I give you kisses now? I like how we're on the floor cuddling and you're the one building the computer. Just how it works, right, Auntie? We cuddle. We do all the super helpful. We're the super helpful team. We're here for the super helpful team. Yeah. We're the super helpful team. We're the super duper helpful team. Wonderful cuddling. Aren't we, Auntie? Aren't we, Auntie? So warm, Auntie. It's gonna be nice and warm this cuddle bug. I am super cold. I'm shivering. There she comes. There she comes. She comes. You coming? Oh, I'm on your spot. Should my figure come? Just go stare at me. That works too, Woggies. It's looking good. How's it going? I feel like I got a lot of layers on the bottom and then none on the top. Or a lot on the top and none on the bottom. Layers? Because I got a sweater and then this and then this and then nothing, just jeans and some nice comfy boots. Yeah.
Or not talk?
No, it's okay. You can talk.
Don't you vlog me?
I'm not vlogging you. Your face is not in it. Don't worry. Just your elbow. We're getting there with the computer. It's coming. What do you think? Not gonna respond. Silence over here. That's okay. Silence of the lamb going on. Lewis. Oh, cuddles with Lulu. Cuddles with Lulu. Lulu. Hello, gorgeous. Oh. No head ribs. Almost got the computer finished. Emotional support editor with me. Right, Augies? You're gonna help me edit, Augies? Yeah. Good girl. Sleeping, Augie. She's sleeping. It's Vlogmas Day 19 prize. See what this is. Oh no, she woke up now. Are you awake now, Augies? You were sleeping there a minute ago. Oh, it's an Alpha Lip exfoliator. That's exciting. Just gonna spend the rest of the night editing and cuddling with the doggy. I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 19. I'll see you later. Goodbye, my little giraffe. Bye.